my name is Bayleigh, and today I am going to be making hot chocolate. And you're wondering why I have two, because I have a special guest, my mom. Okay guys, I want you guys to comment down below and subscribe and hit that bell and comment down below what kind of hot chocolate do you like? Like where you like from a gas station, Starbucks,
Swiss Miss,
and all those other different kinds.
What are we gonna do?
So we're gonna pour some of this water in, I think, first.
Pour the water in first?
Yeah.
Okay, after we do the water, what else do we do?
We put the cocoa stuff in.
Okay. And what do we do with the trash? You don't know what you do with the trash?
Throw it out.
Oh, okay.
Or see marshmallows.
Ooh. So we have the Swiss Miss, and it also has marshmallows. Yummy marshmallows.
Is that good enough? I'll keep it here in case of anything.
Now
then you take a spoon, a knife, a fork, whatever you have, and just mix it.
So how much water did we put in?
Like a quarter and a half, I think.
6 ounces. I think we were supposed to pour the hot cocoa in it because you see how it's separating.
So chunky. I think we might have to redo this. These are our cups so far. It's really chunky. I don't think this is gonna work out.
Good.
We're gonna dump this in
And then do what?
and then put the water in.
So we need about 6 ounces of water, so that's not that much.
Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Should I get a new fork?
No, we need the same one. Oh, it's doing the same thing.
I don't know. I think we need something like
But look
milk.
at our old one. We just make hot cocoa for the rest of the family. But look at it. Now it's settling in. So now we finally got this one to the consistency that we like.
Yeah, we could probably...
So we can use this one. I think we did it too fast.
I think we could do this one for Josh
And Sissy?
Sissy.
Look. Like it's some eggs. Like it's an omelet. Oh, you're making a mess.
I know. I don't know how to... I can't do this one.
You...
It's a marshmallow. Who can say no to marshmallow? I think we're supposed to put more water.
That's an idea. Okay. So off for the warm water.
That's why it wasn't working. We didn't use warm water.
So how many seconds? Here, come put this in the microwave.
Me?
Yeah, come on.
Oh my god. Just put this in. Close it. How long should we put it in for?
For a minute.
Start over for a third time.
This time we tried warm water because the previous times we tried to pour in the water first, then the powder, and then that gave us a consistency that we really didn't like, although it did mix in. And then the next time we tried to put in the powder and then the water, but it still did the same thing. So now
we're gonna try using warm water.
Yeah, so we can see which one is the easiest method.
How much did
The whole thing.
What? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you got 6 ounces of water.
Okay, I think this will do it. This will definitely do it, I think. Or not! Okay guys, I want you guys to comment down below and subscribe and hit that bell.